Hey, this is John. Welcome back to Next Crypto Prices. Let's now take a look at some price action, one wave at a time. Coming back with an update on Cake USDT. This is the 1 hour time frame on Binance. Video made yesterday was highlighting the possibility that Cake would go to as high as 335 in the rather short future, representing the top for a wave 3. This idea was valid for as long as this level here at 245 would not break. This level represents the assumption made that this correction, A, B, C, represented the wave 2 and it was completed. Now we had a wave 1 here, wave 2 complete, and then we would march up towards 335. Now this level has been broken. That indicates one thing, that the wave 2 correction is not finished. So perhaps what we have is an A, a B, and a C that would end up somewhere there. If you do put on the chart the Fibonacci extension, for this A and B, you can get a wave 1 at 236, 100%, sorry, at 236, 123.6 at 227, and there is the 1618, which is much lower and also is beyond this invalidation level. So there is probably a play right now to look for the end of this C leg of this ABC correction, to finish somewhere there, find support, and then reverse back. Okay, aiming towards, that's not going to be 335 anymore. It will be something more like 327. It could be a play. Very little risk because we have another invalidation level just below, very close to it. So that's a good play. Now, regarding the second invalidation level, this one is indicative, if it's broken, of a much deeper correction, because this level represents the assumption made that here we found the low for this ABC correction of a wave 2 here in circle. Okay, if this level is broken, then that means we are still doing an ABC correction. Can be a WXY actually, and price will move further below this 223 to find a bottom for wave C. An area of interest for a wave 2 correction is located right here. Notice how the 61.8% aligns quite well with the top of this wave 1. So this could be an area like $1.93. Okay, so I've given you one revised target to the upside, one invalidation level that has to hold if you want this revised target to the upside to materialize. If this level is broken at $2.23, that indicates that wave 2 correction is still in progress, and we will have to look further down for some support, perhaps the top of wave 1 here at around $1.93, representing the 61.8% Fibonacci. Now, right away on this 1 hour chart, I'm looking at the RSI. We don't have any divergence appearing, but we are quite oversold. It's 20 on the RSI. There is we don't have any divergence appearing, but we are quite oversold. It's 20 on the RSI. There is a little bit of volume showing up before this new low was made, so that's a good indication. I would like to see perhaps some more volume coming in as price is getting closer to this level. Okay, that would be a good indication. I have taken a position already at $2.36. And I'm going to continue building a position, perhaps not on the way down, but as soon as I identified some sort of support on the 15-minute time frame, I may continue to build up a position aiming for this $3.27. So that's the update on Cake. Let's not be phased out by the recent break of the invalidation level. This is what invalidation levels are here for. They are to give you an exit with minimum damage if you take a long position, but the other way around if you take a short position. Well, it's always good to keep in mind the next available invalidation level so that you have your risk management well tight and under control. That's it for the video. Enjoy the rest of the day. You take care of yourself. Bye-bye.